So we've reported now on the protests that erupted in California over the weekend after a string of immigration raids. President Donald Trump says that he can fast-track the deportation of undocumented immigrants because they're not entitled to the same rights as American citizens. Paul Spade checks that claim for PolitiFact.
If you come to the United States illegally, do you get the same right to due process as everyone else? Well, President Donald Trump says he's not so sure. Watch his interview on Meet the Press.
Your Secretary of State says everyone who's here, citizens and non-citizens, deserve due process. Do you agree, Mr. President?
I don't know. I'm not a lawyer.
Now, in an interview on ABC, Trump went a step further. You can see this transcript. He said, if people come into our country illegally, there's a different standard. And he's talking about a legal standard. But that's not what the Constitution says. The right to due process is laid out here in the Fifth Amendment. It basically means the government can't convict you of wrongdoing without giving you a chance to defend yourself. Now, the Trump administration recently challenged this in court, saying the Alien Enemies Act enables the government to expedite deportations. However, the Supreme Court said, not so fast. In a ruling on April 7th, the court said this: detainees subject to removal orders under this particular act are still entitled to notice and an opportunity to challenge their removal. All of this is why the Truth Meter rates Trump's claim false. To read more about this issue, go to WRAL.com.